The Xiaomi Black Shark is an entirely new device with hardware customized to bring out the performance mobile gamers, including a liquid cooling system, a dedicated button, detachable gamepad, and more. The phone sports a 5.99-inch Full HD and IPS LCD display with coverage of 97% DPI-P3 color gamut. The display does not boast the 120 Hz refresh rate that was Razer phone's USP, but to make up for it, Xiaomi dialed up the peak brightness to 550 nits. Under the hood, quite expectedly, is the Snapdragon 845 chipset with Adreno 630 GPU. Considering how long hours of gaming heats up the phone, Xiaomi has equipped the phone with a multi-stage integrated liquid cooling system that can bring down the temperature by up to 8 degrees Celsius. There is no microSD card, and Black Shark offers two storage variants, 64GB and 128GB, alongside two RAM variants, 6GB and 8GB. Powering all that is a 4,000 mAh battery. The phone also has a new image processing chip from Pixelworks, which offers intelligent motion compensation technology, dark scene detail processing, image enhancement, all of which combines to provide better and smoother video quality while gaming. To ensure there's no lag while playing online on the phone, Xiaomi has adopted a new X-style antenna design which prevents signal disturbance when holding the phone in a landscape or vertical orientation. Gaming phone notwithstanding, the phone also doesn't cut down on the photography chops as well. There is a dual camera setup at the back, 12 MP/1.75 plus 20 MP/1.75 with 6p lens and a dual LED flash. The primary sensor has a 1.25 while the secondary sensor has a 1 sensor size. On the front is a 20 megapixel with f/2.2 aperture. While there is a single speaker, the earpiece doubles up as another, while the mic is tweaked for gamers to allow voice calls and radio chat in-game without interfering with gameplay. Finally, Xiaomi is also offering a Black Shark gamepad with the phone. The gamepad has a 340 mAh battery and connects to the phone via Bluetooth. There is also a dedicated Shark button on the left that quickly switches the phone to gaming mode to route all resources to the game. The phone runs on Android 8.0 Oreo with JOYSTICK on top, which is a custom launcher that is different from Xiaomi's MIUI. The phone will be available only in China on JD.com. Pre-orders begin April 20th and will be available in either Polar Night Black or Sky Gray. The lower 6GB/64GB variant will retail for 2,999 Chinese yuan, Rs 31,200 roughly, while the 8GB/128GB variant will cost 3,499 Chinese yuan, roughly 36,300.